Hey folks, JD here, and today I've dug out some unknown FPV. Now I know two things. I know this is a quadcopter, and I know I filmed this at the end of 2015, beginning of 2016. I think. No, that is 2015, 2016 is when this was filmed. I just can't for the life of me remember which quadcopter. It's in a directory on my computer, which is quite literally named Unknown FPV. So I thought I'd bring it out, have a little look at it, and see what it's about. It's not great quality, folks. It's not a great video, but at the same time, it is part of the channel. It's part of one of the quadcopters that may have made it to the channel or may not have, but I thought it would still be quite nice to see it. Well, I hope you all had a great last week. Thank you for everything for last week, folks. This week as well, we're steaming ahead. Not long until Christmas now, so we're starting off the weeks with this. This is Monday. Monday we have the 10 toys for Christmas. This is the remote control snake. Oh, this is a lot of fun. Now I take this remote control snake, put it on my living room floor, and just have a whale of a time with it. I'm really shocked by how much battery life these little RC toys have. I mean, we're not talking very technologically advanced. We are talking very basic, one motor, two wheels, that's it. And I tell you what, the thing just kept on going. Absolutely fantastic. Tuesday, we have the V988 by WL Toys helicopter unboxing. Wednesday, the V988 helicopter flight. Again, still the WL Toys. Thursday, we have the unique Breeze 4K. This is 1080p, the stabilization video version, where quite literally I just record some FPV and we see exactly how stable it is. And in there as well, I'm going to do some nice little comparisons with the 4K. Then we've got Friday, we've got the Aosenma CG003 unboxing. And hopefully on Saturday we've got the 003 flight. Now I'm recording this a few days before this goes live, and as of yet I cannot get this thing to fly. I have taken the manual with me. I've tried on 2 separate days. I'm going to try tomorrow, which is Sunday. That's going to be the 3rd attempt. See whether we can get this damn thing in the sky. If we don't, then I'm going to choose another video for this day, but we'll have to wait and find out. And then on Sunday we have the SJRC S30W revisit. I recorded this on the 4th of August this year, and I just wanted to go back, have a nice summery video with some proper sunshine and some really nice weather, just to try and uplift some spirits as well if you're having bad weather wherever you are. Alright then folks, well that's everything. I'm going to leave this FPV video play out should you want to watch any more of it. Thank you ever so much for being part of the community, part of the channel, part of my life. I really do appreciate every single one of you. Look after yourself, look after everybody else, and until then, take care and happy flying.